wake me up to another good morning. Time to go. Oh, we are all looking for adventure. 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 We are all looking for adventure.
Thank you for watching. If you would like to learn more about van life, how to live in a van, and lots of other cool content, please start right now by subscribing to us and clicking the bell to get notified of new videos. This would be very much appreciated and would help us grow our channel. We thank you once again for your support, and I hope you enjoy the video. Good morning everyone, Colin from the Baby Boomers. Thanks for watching. Now this morning I'm just going to give you a quick update on my mobile internet antenna. I've just made a quick mod to it and I just wanted to explain what that mod is. Now here we go. Now on the left we've got the antenna. The link to it is in the description, and also the link to be able to purchase one if you want one is in the description. Now previously what I did was I had it attached, cable tied to the end of this aluminium post, and I would just stick it out the back of the van and attach it to the back of the van in one of the hinges, which was okay, but it was not 100%. I wasn't 100% satisfied with it. So what I've done now is I went to Bunnings and I got a pack, or a couple of packs of these magnets. Bunnings is the DIY store in Australia, a bit like Home Hardware. And I got some of these magnets, and then all I did was just tape them to the L bracket of the actual antenna, and now I can put it wherever I want. So it just sticks there nice and steady, and then I can attach it wherever I want on the van. It's perfect. I love it. Now the reason I've done it that way is that I didn't want it attached permanently to the van. It's a bit conspicuous, and yeah, I just didn't want to drill another hole in the roof. So that's what I've done. Now thanks for watching. Just to give you a quick look around, I'm just at Canogra Showgrounds on the Gold Coast hinterland on a beautiful Queensland winter's day, and not a cloud in the sky. Now thanks for watching. See you again in the next video.